What is the number one topic, hottest topic in the IT industry? PF overlapping. HR people dedicatedly want to check your PF service history because people are wasting HR people as well as MNC's onboarding team spending a lot of time in order to do the verification. So they are thinking if they identify overlapping before initiating the background verification, they can stop the onboarding process, they can save the time, and they already competitions are there in the interview. If you have overlapping, so you will reject the opportunity. But there is a positive actions I am suggesting to people which is creating wonderful result and people are getting the opportunity. So PF account, they will check honestly speaking, but using my suggestions, they will check and it will go positive directions. Already my tricks, whatever I learned in my past life, I am suggesting to you people, and you people are also sending email to me. It is working perfectly. Okay. Thank you so much for your wonderful replay and wonderful support to this channel. Okay. There is a new approach, new tricks I am suggesting. Currently, it is working even though if you did the dual employment. Okay.